In continuation, our thread got finished. We will now cut a thread, insert it in the right part and then the left part, the downside and the upside. So there was a remaining thread. I cut that off, and you can see where we ended is where the thread is. So this one we are turning. So we are no more doing it on the other thread again. We are doing it on the other fish line for it to give us a turning point. So we just entered 2 beads on that particular thread, the one which was facing upwards, and we crossed. So after crossing, you insert 3 beads in that same thread, and then you cross again for it to give you another turning, and this is how it will be. So you can see that it has given us a turning direction. So this particular place, we are not doing a 6-6 circle anymore. We are doing 5-5 circle. So here we will do a 1-1 cross, because every time we turn, we will do a 2-2 1-1 cross, or the 1-1 cross will be 2 times at each ends. So after the 1-1 cross, which is 2, so this is it. Now we are entering the thread in the 2 beads. So this time around, we are not doing a 6-6 circle. We are doing a 5 circle. So we will just add 2 to it, and then we cross. So if it were to be 6, we'll add 3. But since it is 5, we will just add 2. So when it joins the other ones, it will become 5. So you can see that this circle is a 5 circle. So we will do so till we get to the other part where we are to do the 1-1 crossing. So enter the thread in 2 at your right, and then you cross on the 2 that you inserted. You cross on the 3 beads until you get to the middle part. So guys, here it's like there was an editing mistake, so sorry. So here we've gotten to where we are inserting the 1-1 crossing 3 times in the middle. So insert your thread and then insert 2 beads and you cross. So this is the second crossing, and we are moving to the third one. So this is the third crossing. So afterwards, now we'll continue with the 5-5 side 5 circles we couldn't complete. So here you insert the thread in 1, 2 beads, so 2 beads, and you will now insert 2 beads again and then cross. So the other part we couldn't complete it, so the completion is here. So don't be confused. So you can see I've inserted the thread in 2 of it, and I've inserted 2 beads again and crossed. So insert in 2 and cross, 2 and cross, that way. You do same too. You complete this line. So this is our third line, and the first one was a 1-1 crossing of 31. The second one was a 1-1 crossing of 2, and then 6 of 6 circles, 3 in the middle, and then 6 again, and then 2 1-1 crossing. And the third one is 2 1-1 crossing at both ends, 5-5-5 circles. So the 5 circles will also be 6. Yes, it will also be 6. And then we come to the middle and we do a 1-1 crossing of 3, and we continue with the 5-5 and then the 2 and the ends. So you can see this is just calculation. So you have to calculate it well before you get that semicircle or moon shape you are desiring to get. So we are moving ahead to the 4th line. So you can see I've inserted 3 beads and I've changed direction. So with this 4th line, all this part will just take 1-1 crossing. So just insert the thread in 1 bead, insert 2 beads in the next thread, and then cross till you get to the end. So it's just a 1-1 crossing till you finish. No 6-6, no 5-5, just 1-1-1-1-1. So you can see it's just a 1-1 cross. So in this particular bag, you have to pay attention to the arrangement because it involves a lot of calculation and different patterns. You can see we are still on the 1-1 crossing and we are almost ending that particular line. So this is the 4th line. So here you just insert the thread in 1 bead and you now insert 2 beads on the next thread and you cross.